New for 2014 with Case IH is the new entries in the 800 gallon and 1,000 gallon capacity product segments. We've got the Patriot 3240 in that 800 gallon product segment coming in at 250 horsepower with a peak horsepower rating of 270. And then the machine behind me, the Patriot 3340 with 285 rated horsepower with a peak of 309. Both of these models, the big driver behind the introduction of the chassis is the Tier 4B emissions compliancy. Using the SCR only technology with the Case IH FPT engines, where we strip off all the emissions components off the engine, allowing it to produce power and do what it does best, and then treat the exhaust after the fact or downstream using diesel exhaust fluid, combining with that exhaust particles, and then coming out of the exhaust pipe as basically nitrogen and water vapor. In addition to the new chassis, we have a new spray system technology. Building off that existing current AIM Command spray system, we have AIM Command Pro, which incorporates all the features of the AIM Command spray system, but adds two very significant improvements or enhancements to that technology. First one being individual nozzle swath control, where we can turn off nozzles one at a time once we get into those applied areas and then turn them back on, basically having 20-inch control versus say 15 foot for an entire boom section. And then the second feature being turn compensation, taking into account the different speeds of that boom inside to outside as we go through turns or through contours, and adjusting the flow rate so we're putting on the correct amount of flow per nozzle as we're making that turn, making sure we get the best possible coverage.